Okay, it's Miss Hake here, back with a little numeracy lesson for you on the number 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. They say 1 is the loneliest number. Well, remember how we didn't make him lonely anymore? Well, we're going to create a number 1 board just for him, because he's going to start us off in our book of numbers because he's first. He's 1. He's 1. He's 1. He's 1. All right. So you're going to create a number 1. I'm going to call it a placemat or an info board. And you're going to keep it all year long to make sure that we know all of our numbers. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch me, and then you're going to go back and you're going to create your own number 1 board. So I got a whiteboard, but you're going to want a piece of paper because you're going to either put it up on the wall or put it in your numbers book. Your choice. Number 1. So what should we do to show 1? I have an idea. We can actually write the number 1 right in the middle of our paper. Make a little straight line and a foot. There's 1. How else could we show 1? We could write the word 1. 1, believe it or not, it starts with an O. Curvy line, and ends with an E. 1. And you might have to pause this or put it up somewhere so you know how to make it. Do you remember the fish? Guess what? I'm going to show 1 by putting my first fish on. 1 little fish in the sea. How else could we show 1? I wonder. Oh, I know. 1 line. How else could we show 1? A dot-to-dot one. That's right. Dot, 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 dot. There's 1. How else could we show 1? I know, when I roll a dice, there's only 1 dot in the middle. There's 1. What's my favorite shape? Miss Hake, what's your favorite shape? Oh, it's a heart. I'm going to just draw 1 heart. And you can keep going and going and going until you've shown the number 1 so many times that your page is super full. Do you have another idea? I know. 1. I am going to hold up 1 finger. So I have 1, 2, 3, 1 finger up and my thumb down. Okay, that's a really weird drawing, but that's my number 1 with all my fingers down. Good luck. Keep showing as many 1s as you can. 1 is the loneliest number that you ever saw. Not anymore. Look, we gave 1 all sorts of friends. I think I'm going to do a star because I like stars as well. 1 star. And then I'm going to get to work and color this in. And then I'm going to put it in my number book or put it on the wall so I can have a really good idea of what the number 1 looks like. Have fun! See you next time.